Hi, and welcome to lesson number 14 in the Excel for Busy Salespeople. This is custom formatting. So, this is going to be a really short lesson on how to custom format some of your numbers. Um, so, here are the basic. This would be a more standard nomenclature where everything is just run out to how many ever numbers it has in it. Sometimes you want to do something like all my numbers are really big, so let me just have it in millions or thousands. Um, so I just wanted to show you how to create those custom number formats. If you go to the resources tab, uh, there's a couple of really good resources that I brought in to understand how to create those better. I've put some links to some of my favorites that explain them in a lot more depth than I can here in the course. But you can see here's the format for the positive numbers, here's the format for the negative numbers, here's the format for the zero numbers. Each one is separated by a semicolon, and then here's the format for the text. Again, I'm just going to pop up these two references. So AbleBits is a website that I use. They have some really great tools that I also use. There is no way I want to even try to approach the level of detail that they've done here, but um, this goes into really great detail and explains for each level of formatting um, what the numbers mean and how it changes as you change each version. So, again, please spend a little time with that. You can do a lot with it. So, here's how to do it in thousands or millions. Um, Here's a nice little deal that says if I put the I can actually have it say for positive values or negative values to actually include text that says that the numbers are up by a certain number, down by a certain number. Again, there's so much you can do. So um, you could custom format it if it's something like temperatures. You can add this number plus degrees C, number plus degrees Fahrenheit. So lots and lots of options. So I hope you have a chance to look through those. But for the purposes of our lesson, I just wanted to show you what I did. So here I'm going to go in here to number format, more number formats, and then all I did was say 0.00, the two commas, say eliminate the first group of zeros, eliminate the second group of zeros, so each comma drops three zeros, and then append M to the end so that it shows it's in millions. Also over here, I did a different number formatting. So go to my number, go to custom. So here I just typed in the number as such. Here, go to number. There's no formatting. And then here, you can see this is the same number. But if I go down here to my special formatting, I choose phone number formatting in English. I could also choose, you can see there it is. Here's the detail of it. It says, if it's greater than this value, use this format. So if it's only a 7-digit number, just put the dash. If it's more than a 7-digit number, put the area code in a space. Now, again, if you have international formats, international calling, you can understand how to go through that and add those in as well. Also, you could Google format for international calling online and see how that format comes together. But it's relatively straightforward. It's just a nice way to make things look a little neater and a little cleaner. So again, super short lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. Join us back here next time, and we will start lesson 15, which is very specific to our industry. It's a 408 format. So thanks, and see you soon.